Maybe my driving sucks. Probably my driving sucks. I am more of a mechanic than the driver. Okay.
I'm shocked.
Welcome guys to the studio. The relay. I was actually given by my brother-in-law's son, had it in the cellar. So they gave it to me and they said, you're into RCs, we have this one that has been sitting there, do you want it? I was like, yeah, definitely. It's a German product from Conrad. Conrad discontinued this particular DAT RC. They came back again into business and they have newer versions. So it's very difficult to source for the parts and also to do upgrades. But I still love it. I've been driving it for 5 years and I keep on doing repairs on it, and once in a while you hit a curb and it breaks. So that's what happened before. That's why I put it on the shelf. But I thought as I'm progressing, I want to start making new cars. I want to make sure that whatever is seated on the shelf is ready to run, so that if I feel like I want to go drive the RC cars, I can be able to take one of the RC and run it. We're trying to fix it. It has a couple of problems, so we're going to work on the problems. I got the parts in. Here we have the shaft, so we're going to change the front shaft. But now once I put the longer one, there's so much play, you can see all that movement. So I'm going to take this, file it down into that space. The problem with the Insta360, the new one, it doesn't do well with low light and all. It does well with low light, but it does not zoom very well. It's not a detailed type of camera. But anyway, as you can see, I hope you can be able to see. So that I'm holding is broken. So you put your servo there. Then with your servo, you have a rod that goes across. That's the one that broke. So you have this that goes across from here and goes all the way down. So across and down. And then that will be able to go left, right, left, right. So I did a lot of repairs and I drove it. It was actually very nice. But the funny thing is, every time when I drive it, something happens. It never even took me more than 5 minutes and the whole thing broke. Maybe my driving sucks. Probably my driving sucks. So I am more of a mechanic than the driver. So I fix things. And that's the reason why I started the workshop. I like to fix things. I like to build things. So that happened. I drove into a wall and then the thing broke. It happened. So it's back again. So I have to look for a lower sus mount.